Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aquarius placements. This is your general and checking ng current situation ninyo. Kung ano magiging takbuhan in love. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, so yung ating evil eye protection, yung ating love bracelet, si granter necklace, and yung ating cord cut. So yes, message na lang po. Okay? Sa akin pong FB page. Naubo ko. Oh my gosh. Sensya na. FB page. Oo. And yeah, don't forget po na i-follow and i-subscribe yung dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. So, ano ba? Yeah, love letter and yung ating isa pang channel na about animals. So, yeah. Thank you for supporting. Okay. Aquarius. Aqua. What's for you? In general, this mid-April for Aqua. What's for you? Okay. Anong meron for Aquarius placements? Oh, the Emperor. Alam nyo, I'm hearing this specific message na sinasabi, I'll burn you down. Ano yon? Like revenge. Yeah. I don't know. What? Some of you could be dealing with an Aries. What's with this Emperor? Temperance in reverse. I'll burn you down. I'll make you weak. Feel weak. I'm the best. I'm the boss. Okay, something or somebody will trigger you, or maybe you'll trigger somebody. There's this energy about something regarding success or victory. Yeah. Na pwedeng gusto mong ipakita or ipapakita mo sa kung sino man. I don't know kung ano to. Like revenge. Yeah. Teet! O, diba? Excuse me. What else? What else for Aqua? Avoid arguments with your boss. Okay? Avoid arguments. Four of Cups. Feeling left behind. Some of you may ganong energy from a water sign maybe. Four of Cups. And the Nine of Wands, yes. I can't do something, or sabihin nating hopeless. Feeling hopeless. Somebody needs to recharge. I don't know who. Feeling drained. Feeling sad. Lonely. Somebody na pwedeng nagpapakita lang ng katigasan, no? It's because of their ego or pride. Pero this person, or maybe some of you, nangangailangan naman talaga nung support. A support system, maybe. Yeah, Four of Wands. Yeah, I need support. Somebody needs you. In general, they need you. Lalo na yung hindi mo nakakausap ngayon. You're in no contact with them. Is this your ex, your past person? You're still feeling the strong connection. Okay? So, andun yung energy about something like depressed. They need you. They need support. I don't know. Could be a Cancerian. Fire sign. What else for Aquarius? Anong meron? Anong energy this mid-April for you, Aqua? What you need to know. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you feeling stress. Okay. Basta yun yung pwedeng may stress. Parang ganyan. Maybe pagdating sa work. Or sa stability. I don't know. What's with this Queen of Pentacles in reversed? Page of Cups. Meron doon talaga nangangailangan. Your affection. Yung pag-nurture mo, I think, they need you. Like, para silang nawawalang bata at hinahanap yung nanay nila. Parang ganon yung energy. Okay? Some of you, you'll get a closure. Or maybe you'll give yourself a closure mula sa nangyaring ending, no? Na pwede namang masasabing hindi rin naman magandang connection. Nirelease mo lang yung sarili mo. So I think you're just maybe saving yourself, no? From this. I'm seeing you saving yourself. Yeah. Okay? So, Two of Wands. Keeping an arm's distance. Yeah. Yeah, the Star. Saving yourself. Maybe mas pipiliing mag-heal or mag-move on or maging mas okay. This is you. Okay, this is you. Meron ditong nagdadalawang isip. Somebody younger. Okay, nagdadalawang isip na may sabihin sa'yo. I don't know kung ano yun. Okay, I don't know. Maybe this is talking about apologizing, kung ano man, nga saying sorry. Iba naman dito parang feeling ko may gusto magpaalam, hindi lang magawa kasi pwedeng, baka hindi ako payagan. Parang ganun. Like, crossroads. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. I don't know if this is regarding travel or what. Okay, sandali lang po ha. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko for you in general. Yes. So, current situation, let's see. In love. So, ano bang situation ninyo in love, mga Aquarius? Kumusta naman? Ayoko ng ng Aquarius saga. Paul ulit. Oo, sana hindi, no? Sana hindi yun yung makuha natin. Please lang. Oo. Yung silent treatment or whatsoever. No contact, head games, mind games. Don't like that. So, ano bang meron current situation ninyo, mga Aquarius? In love. So, tingnan natin kung ano magiging takbuhan ngayong mid-April. Naku po, ayan na nga ba ang sinasabi ko? Ayan na nga ba ang sinasabi ko? Oo. The Eight of Wands in reversed. Is this blockages or is this talking about less to no communication? Okay. The Page of Swords. Somebody is stalking you, adoring you, adores you. Somebody younger. So I think that's another message lang. So what's with this 8 of Wands? Universe in general, wala masyadong nangyayari, walang masyadong ganap. What's with that? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Nakaka-stress. Kainaman na. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Aqua. Sa situation na nakikita ko dito, meron ditong nag-step back. May nag-step back. May nag-say no. Okay? At ngayon, parang hindi na nagiging okay yung situation. Yeah. May 5 of Pentacles. Merong umalis, merong lumayo, merong, alam na, nag-back out. Step back. Okay. Kumusta kaya? I don't know, that's specific. Pero yeah, in general, pagdating sa connection, sa sitwasyon ngayon, parang meron ditong hindi nausad kasi hindi nabibigyan ng tama or sapat na aksyon kung ano man. Hindi nag-grow. Opo. So, ano bang meron sa person mo, Aqua? What's with them? The Queen of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with the same gender. Okay, Queen of Wands. What's with that Queen of Wands? The 9 of Wands. They're guarded. Protecting themselves. And the Star. Maybe they're protecting themselves from you. Hindi siya nagpapatalo, Aqua, no? Yeah, hindi siya nagpapatalo. Yung energy nito is somebody na pwedeng nagpapahabol. Confident, they're confident. They're guarded. Okay. Yeah, the 8 of Pentacles. Sinisecured nito yung sarili niya eh. Pinoprotektahan yung sarili niya. Some of them nagpapaka-busy sa work. Yeah. Mayroon ako nararamdamang jealousy from this person. Some of them, they're hiding insecurities. They're hiding their insecurities. Like, para silang kunyari matatag. Pero ang totoo nito, some of you, this person is mirroring you kung paano ka maging strong. Pero sa totoo lang, yeah, ang daming insecurities ng taong to. Some of them talaga kino-compare niya yung sarili niya sa'yo. Alam mo yung energy ng taong to, sabihin natin nandun yung pride and ego niya. Parang sinasabi, ako na bahala sa sarili ko. Parang ganun. Ako na bahala. Or maybe kung hindi man niya sinabi yun, na yun yung nakatatak sa utak niya. Ako bahala, papakita ko sa'yo to. Kung ano man whatsoever. I'm hearing revenge kanina dun sa ating general. Okay? Papakita ko sa'yo. Parang ganun. Yeah, maybe this is it. Ito yung tinutukoy, I think. Yeah. 4 of Cups, 9 of Cups. The Hermit. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo talaga, no contact kayo nito. Okay? Ang maririnig lang dito ay huni. Huni ng kuliglig. Diba? Sobrang tahimik. Walang communication. What is their emotion right now? Their emotion for you, Aqua. Their emotion. Yeah. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Feeling missed opportunity. Feeling the missed opportunity. Yeah. The Ace of Pentacles, sabi ko sa inyo meron itong tinatago, some things, insecurities, or sabihin natin nag-feeling lang ito na parang kayang-kaya niya, pero Yes, kinakaya, pero mahirap sa part niya. Like, pagtingin niya sa'yo, napaka-easy lang, ganito, ganyan. Sa ngayon, parang okay, sige, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Kaya ko rin naman yung ginagawa mo eh. Parang ganun yung sinasabi ng taong to. Why are they blaming you? Why? Kasi some of you, nag-step back ka. And now, they're blaming you. Kasi nag-step back ka. What? What's with this Ace of Pentacles in the reversed? Their emotion. Yeah. Temperance in reversed. Ayaw nila to. Hindi nila kaya to. Hindi nila kaya. Nagmamatigasan. Or sabihin natin, siya lang yung nagmamatigas dito. Ginagaya niya yung pagmamatigas or sabihin nating normal na ugaling meron ka. And yes, they don't, parang hindi nila kaya, no? Na gayahin ka like totally, like talagang magpuput ng effort itong taong to para magaya ka, para makopya ka. So their emotion right now, they're being impatient. They're mad. Yeah, they're mad. Sa nangyaring separation or sa sitwasyon ninyo ngayon. Okay. So, let's see. What is their next action? The Five of Cups. Regretting. Kung ano man. I don't know. What's with that Five of Cups? The King of Pentacles. Regretting. Pagdating sa mga dapat pala ginawa ko to, dapat pala ganyan, dapat pala naging responsible ako, ganto, ganyan. Realizations. Seven of Wands. Death. So, ang nakikita ko rito is, yeah, there's this energy of endings. Separation. No contact. Ngayon lang niya parang nare-realize everything kung ano ba dapat na ginawa before. Yeah. Realizations at its finest. Okay. So, napaka-intense. There's this tension, which is yung no contact or the endings itself. Okay. So, marami itong gustong gawin actually. Pero, hindi magawa. Okay. Grabe naman tong person mo, Aqua. Hindi ko maipaliwanag lahat. Yeah. Nagmamatigas. Sa totoo lang. Some of you, they will try na makaramdam ka ng regrets. Yes. Gagawa to ng paraan para makaramdam ka ng regrets kasi yun yung nararamdaman nila. Okay? Gagawa to ng paraan para makitaan mo siya ng leveling up or improvement or progress. Ipapakita niya yun. Gusto ka kasi nilang mag-regret sa ginawa mong pagpulawi or pag-step back. Yeah. So, what's the outcome? Some of you, ang dami ko nakikita next action. Magta-try itong kumonek sa iba. Yeah. At para makaramdam ka ng regrets. Kukuha to ng something or somebody na pwedeng ka-level mo. Parang ganyan. Okay? Gusto nito magselos ka. Gusto nito mag-regret ka. Kasi pinakawalan mo siya or lumayas ka sa sitwasyon. Mga ganyang bagay. Pero sa totoo lang, the Ace of Pentacles is here in reverse and the Temperance here in reverse. And you're feeling the missed opportunity with you. They are. Yes. Ibulong natin kasi baka marinig nila. Okay, let's see. Ano ba ang tawag dito? Potential outcome. Potential outcome / advice kung meron for Aqua. The Ten of Pentacles. Focusing on your work, career, studies if ever. Okay, your financial in general. What's with the Ten of Pentacles? Judgment in reversed. Kumakawala ka na dito, Aqua. Ikaw ang malaking nawala sa taong to. Malaki kang kawalan from them. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse, the Ten of Wands, yeah. Napakahirap ng sitwasyon na to for them, for you. Pero mas pinipili mo kasi sa umpisa lang naman to eh. Sa umpisa lang naman mahirap. Parang ganun. Okay? So siguro hindi mo na stand yung talagang ugali ng taong to. Yeah, some of them may ugali talaga na hindi okay. Yeah, the Six of Cups in reverse. Sabihin nating energy na something na hindi maganda. This is like negative, or sabihin nating bakit pa? Parang ganun. This is trauma. Bitterness. Mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles in reverse, hindi pagkakaintindihan. Hindi kayo talaga mag-connect or sabihin nating magtugma ng taong to. That is why. Okay, maybe the level of frequency or the vibration na meron kayo is hindi pareho siguro. Kaya ganun. No? So, some of you, yeah, potential outcome is cutting off cycles and focusing on sabihin nating sa mga importanteng bagay. Okay? Your stability, your pera, mga ganyan. Okay? So, I'm seeing here progress para sa'yo, Aqua. So, tingnan natin. Ano pa ba? Oops, may nalaglag. Yeah, the World. This is energy of changes, acceptance. Okay? This is nice. That's nice. You're strong, Aqua. You are. Kaya ka nga ginagaya ng taong to eh, pero hindi nila kayang gayahin ka. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, so yun ang aking nakikita. Okay, so Aries through Pisces for you, Aqua. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries, they're sad. They're crying. Yeah. Lalo na sa gabi. They're mirroring you. Taurus, acceptance, changes. Gemini, they're sad. Yeah, in general, they're unhappy. Cancer, planning. They have plans. Leo, they want to contact you. Some of you, lumalabas ka sa panaginip ni Leo. Virgo, there's a lot of drama. They want closure for some of them. Libra, ending of a cycle. Yeah, they're sad actually, pero parang, or maybe you are, pero kailangan i-end to. Scorpio, they attracted. They are attracted physically. They admire you. Okay. Sagittarius, can't move on. So, wala pa ring energy ng bago from that Sag. Capricorn, they're scared. I don't know why. They are scared. Maybe scared of endings, acceptance. Yeah. Some of you don't need to trust this Capricorn. They're hiding something. So, Aquarius. unexpected na pwedeng mangyari with this Aqua. So, I think mayroong mga ipapakita sa universe for this Aquarius na kung ano man para may mabago. Parang, yeah, yung energy is like unexpected. Para, yeah, yung result is, yeah, this is like an energy of closure. I don't know, something na parang may ibibigay si universe sa kanya or maybe sa'yo. Na para malinawan ka, parang ganyan. Matauhan, parang ganon. Pisces, blocking. Yeah, blockage. No contact. Some of you, if this Pisces, hindi na ikaw talaga kinokontak. Some of them, hindi ka na masyadong iniisip. Okay? Yeah. Hindi ka na masyadong iniisip. Pero, I don't know, some of them, they're open na pagdating sa iba eh. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Aquarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.